The first thing you want to do is cut up your mushrooms. This is really delicious with mushrooms, but if you don't like mushrooms, you can leave them out. Skip this step and just do the gravy, or maybe add a mirepoix instead. I'm going to add my mushrooms to a saucepan and I'm going to saute them. I want to saute this really good, so I'm going to saute them for about 10 minutes. I also want to add a little bit of salt and pepper. While my mushrooms saute, I'm going to get my aromatics ready. I want to use garlic today and shallot. I will add those in as soon as I cut them and saute them with the mushrooms. The shallot will add extra moisture, helping the mushrooms unstick from the pan. Now I'm going to remove the mushrooms from the pan. I'm going to add 2 cups of vegetable stock. I'm going to be tempering the stock. That means just to warm it up a little bit. And then I'm going to add my cornstarch slurry. And then I'm going to bring this to a boil till everything thickens up. As it thickens, I will whisk it so everything comes out nice and smooth and I can avoid lumps. I'm going to add a little bit of thyme. This is dry thyme, you can use fresh. And since it thickened up just a little bit too much, I'm going to be adding some water. This is water from the potatoes, from my mashed potatoes. Once the gravy is ready, I'm going to add my mushrooms back in. And I want to cook the mushrooms for about 10 to 15 more minutes. And that's it. Now we're going to move on to our mashed potatoes. I have here jalapeño and garlic. I blended it into a paste. I'm going to add some salt and I'm going to mash away. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of non-dairy milk. This is just to bring it together. You could also use water. I'm also going to add some nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon, and there you go, nice and smooth. Now it's time to serve. And there you have it, an amazing gravy recipe. I hope you have a beautiful day, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. Bye-bye.